everyone, back to my channel. This is Gunapriya of your Math Mentor. In before section, we have learned equation of circle using 3 points and intersects problems. Okay, in this section, we are going to know what is concyclic and problems. Okay, now let's see. A line segment with endpoints AB and place a point C somewhere above it with AB as a base. Let us draw a angle ACB. Now place another point D somewhere above the segment AB and form the angle ADB. Now listen to next point carefully. A theorem says if angle ACB is equals to angle ADB. If angle ACB is equals to angle ADB, then exactly one circle. There is a one circle will pass through these 4 points. Okay, let's consider pass through this 4 point A, B, C, D. In short, these two angles are equal, then that 4 points are said to be as concyclic. Two angles, that means if ACB is equals to angle ADB, then 4 points A, B, C, D are said to be as concyclic. This is the theorem of this concyclic. Okay, now we'll go for the problems on this concyclic. Now this is the problem. Show that 1, 2, 3, -4, 5, -6, 19, 8 are concyclic. That means we have to prove these 4 points are concyclic and we have to find the equation of circle on which they lie. Okay, now we go first. What's the equation, required equation? Let the required equation of circle, what we know? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Let this equation is number 1 and now we have to substitute. Take any 3 points. Take any 3 points and do as like in before section we have learned equation of circle using 3 points. Likewise, you do take any 3 points and substitute in the equation and find out G, F and C. At last we have to get the equation of circle. Okay. Now equation 1 passes through. So our first point is 1, 2. Now substituting is 1 square plus 2 whole square plus 2g of 1 plus 2f of 2 plus c equals to 0. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4f. 2g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. 2g plus 4f plus c plus 5 equals to 0, which is equation number 2. Now equation 1 passes through 3, -4. Now substitute 3 whole square minus 4 whole square 2g of 3 plus 2f of -4 plus c equals to 0. Derive it and you will get 6g minus 8f plus c minus 8f plus 25 equals to 0, which is our third equation. Now derive this that equation 1 passes through 5, -6. 5 whole square plus -6 whole square plus 2g of 5 plus 2f of minus 6 plus c equals to 0. Then you will get 10g minus 12f plus c plus 61 equals to 0, which is our fourth equation. Now equating 2 and 3 and 3 and 4. You can take any of the 2 or 4 or 3 or 2, whatever, that is your wish. Now equating 2 and now solving 2 and 3 will get minus 4g plus 12f, cc will be get cancelled, and minus 20 equals to 0. If I have taken minus 4 common, g plus 3f plus, here plus, don't do mistake here. Okay, and if minus 4 goes that side means g plus 5 equals to 0, which is our fifth equation. Now solving 3 and 4 we get minus 4g plus 4g minus 36 equals to 0. If I have taken minus 4 common, g plus f minus 9 equals to 0, which is our sixth equation. Now in 5 and 6, here the minus, here minus is there plus, here plus is there minus, here gg will be get cancelled, minus 2f minus 4 equals to 0. So f equals to 4, that means minus 2f equals to 4, to the f equals to minus 2. Now substitute this f equals to minus 2 in any of the equation, either in 5 or either in 6. So here g I am using substitute f in 6. So g minus of minus 2 plus 9 equals to 0, g plus 2 plus 9 equals to 0, g equals to minus 11. Now we have got f and g value. Now substitute f, g in any of the three equation, either in 2, either in 3 or either in 4, and you will get the c value. Okay, now I have substituted g, f in equation 2. Now minus 22 minus 8 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. Now we get minus 30 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. That means c minus 25 equals to 0. C is 25. Now our g value is minus 11 and f equals to minus 2. So now substitute in equation 1 these three values. Okay, x square plus y square plus 2g means minus 11x plus 2f means, that is y is minus 2 plus 25 equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 22x minus 4, sorry here y. So 4y plus 25 equals to 0. This is not lost, but they have given to find out concyclic. Now what we have to do? There is another point 19, 8. Now that point has to substitute in the place of x, y. If LHS equals to RHS, that means you have to get 0. If a point, remainder point, if you substitute in the equation which we have solved, if it become as a 0, then the 4 points are concyclic. Now substitute this 19, 18 in the equation which we have got from these three equation. Okay. Now 19 whole square plus 8 whole square minus 22 into 19 plus 4 into 8 plus 25 equals to 0. 19 is a 361. 8 is a 64. 22 into 19, so 418. 32 plus 25 equals to 0. Now we'll get by solving 450 minus 450. So 0 equals to 0. So the given 4 points are concyclic. That's it. Okay. If 0 equals to 0, then the 4 points are concyclic. This only they have asked. First, you have to take any 3 points and you have to solve and find out the equation. Then the remaining point has to substitute in the equation which we have solved, and we have to get 0 equals to 0. It means you have to get 0. Then the 4 points are concyclic. And you have proved it. Next we go for another problem. Okay, this is the another problem. If 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c. See here, this is the variable are concyclic. They only given in the question these 4 points are concyclic and we have to find out the c value. Okay, like in the before problem only, let the required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, which is our first equation. Now equation 1 passes through first point 2, 1. Now substitute this. 2 whole square plus 0 whole square plus 2g of 2 plus 2f of 0 plus c equals to 0. So here I have taken c in the place of k. So I have taken k. Why? Because you can take constant, right? Here constant, whatever variable you can take. Why? Because to not confuse. So this c is we have to find out. So they have given c value. So to not confuse, I have taken the constant value here k. So here also k will be here, and 4g plus k plus 4 equals to 0, which is our second equation. Don't confuse. You can write c also. That's your wish. To not confuse, I have write here k. Now equation 2 passes through which point? Here 0, 1, second point. So 0 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2g of 0 plus 2f of 1 plus k equals to 0. 1 plus here 0 will be here, and 2f plus k equals to 0, which is our third equation. Now equation 3 passes through, equation 1 only, here equation 1. Equation 1 will passes through here 4, 5. So in equation 1 only you have to substitute these points. 4 whole square, 5 whole square, 2g of 4 plus 2f of 5 plus k equals to 0. Now we'll get 16 plus 25. Then you will get 8g plus 10f plus k plus 41, which is our fourth equation. Now we have got second equation, third equation and fourth equation. Now we have to equate 2 and 3 and you have to find out the fifth equation, and you have to equate another 3 and 4 and we have to get sixth equation. Okay. Now while solving here minus, here minus, here minus. So kk will get cancelled. Here same we have to write 4g minus 2f. Why? Because here the g is there, here f is there. Don't write 4 minus 2. This is the g term and this is the f term. Here also many students will do mistake. 4 minus 1 plus 3 equals to 0, which is our fifth equation. Likewise solving 3 and 4. So I have taken third and fourth equation. See here only g term. So minus 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 minus. So write same as a g this value. 2 minus 10 minus 8f. Kk will be get cancelled and minus 40 equals to 0. Now multiply with 8, we'll get minus 8, we will get g plus f plus. See here we have to get here minus. So minus into plus minus. So 5 equals to 0, g plus f plus 5 equals to 0, which is our sixth equation. Now solving 5 and 6, we will get g and f. So I have taken this method. Why? Because any one of the term is not equal in both the equation. So I have taken this method. So g by minus 10 minus 3 equals to f by 3, 5 4 is 20 minus by 1 by 4 plus 2. So g by minus 13 equals to f by minus 17, 1 by 6. Okay. We'll get g as minus 13 by 6 and f as minus 17 by 6. And we have got gf value. Now you have to substitute these equation to find out k. Now see whether the k equation. So k equation is in the 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 2, 3, 4. Either in the 3 equation substitute gf value. Now I am substituting. Now substituting gf in equation 3. Now I have substituting. Okay. 2 of minus 17 by 6 plus k equals to 1. This is the equation 3. Now I have substituted 2 1s are 2 3s are. While solving we will get k equals to 14 by 3. Okay. This is the k value. K equals to 14 by 3. Okay. ZFK. Now substitute these 3 values in the equation 1. Now I have substitute GFC in the first equation. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 14 by 3. Now take 3 as a LCM. We'll get 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equals to 0. If 3 goes that side, we multiply with 0 and will become as 0. So 3x square, 3y square. This is our required equation. Now we have to substitute what the value fourth point. What they have given 0, c and we have to find out the c value. Now substitute x in the place of 0, y in the place of 3. 3 whole square, 3c square minus 13 into 0 minus 17c plus 14 equals to 0. 3c square plus 17c plus 14 equals to 0. Now we have to make here roots. So 14 3s are 42. Now we have to get 17 means what you have to do same. So here plus is there. Sorry, here minus. So minus 17c. So to get minus, what you have to do here? Minus into minus plus 42 and here the bigger symbol is minus 14. So 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 equals to 0. Now in this 3c has a common, c minus 1 and minus 14 as a common, c minus 1 equals to 0. From this c minus 1 and 3c minus 14 equals to 0. Now we'll get c equals to 1 and c equals to 14 by 3. This is the values of the c. We have to take here 14 by 3 as C value. Why? Because the C should be greater than 1. Why? Because they are said the 4 points are consecutive. So the point is 0, 14 by 3. So we have to take C as 14 by 3. It should not take 1. Okay, it should be greater than 1. So this is the point. C as 14 by 3. So in today's section we have the concyclic and concyclic problems. Okay. If you have any queries, please comment me in the comment box. Thank you.
Please subscribe to my channel.